Hello, YouTube. Thanks for dropping by. I'm here to share my recent install of a CT limiter for my Sofar solar inverter. Always wanted to have one. Unfortunately, I had to order. Mine did not come with a limiter, and not much information also on YouTube. So I had to order the limiter, try to find out the size, and I had to extend it as the uh, input for my panel was a fair amount of distance away. So this is my CT limiter. This was bought from Lazada from a guy named Kai Shen 1. And I hope you can see the specs that I have there. And this came with about a meter of wire. So I'm showing right now the direction of the current from the grid to the box, and the wires, the red, I placed it on the incoming, and the black onto the outgoing. I'm not an electrician, and in order for me to extend, I used a LAN cable. This is just a LAN cable I had lying around, and I cut it to about 11 meter, 12 meter length, and I spliced it. I used a pair of twisted wires. I think the blue and the white, and the brown and the white, and same polarity towards the machine. And I tried several, but this is the one that worked. Okay, hope I get it in focus. Oh, anyway, yeah. So the next clip shows you if it works or not. This was my third attempt trying to look for the wires, the current, etc. And this was the one that was successful, or it was working. I went to option number 18, and that would be set reflux. Did the usual input of password, etc. And when you successfully enter your password, you can choose between enable and disable reflux. Of course, mine was previously disabled, so I enabled it. And you can see right away from a 1.4 kilowatt production, I went down to 99 to about 1 kilowatt. And there's this asterisk, which probably tells me, I could be wrong, but which probably tells me that I'm hitting my load. And that's when I know it's working because I have this app. It's called a Emporia View, and 1 kilowatt was my load at that time. So I know it was working at this time, and of course, jump for joy. And I'll try to bring it back to reflux disabled, and hopefully you can see if the production jumps again. Okay, so here I am trying to set the reflux to disable, and my load was still at 99, and that's the present production. Disable. Okay, so there. And if you notice, yeah, there the production just jumps back to 1.4 kilowatts. So I guess that's it. It was a successful install. I'll just be cleaning up the wires and putting the cover back on. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys got something out of this. If there's anything, if you want to comment, just please put them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks a lot, and good luck on your DIY solars.